This is what it all comes down to, just security, because if you have the Eufy camera, you can pair it up to the lights, and every time that the camera picks up any movement, is going to tell the lights, and the lights would shine on, so that gives you full brightness and illumination with detection in real time. And now that is smart security working hand in hand. And I've never seen light strips mode with people before, so just imagine interacting with them with your kids during Christmas. They'll pretty much make your home the happiest one in the neighborhood. It's a radar activated 3-in-1 permanent lights for daily, holiday, and security. Now, it's not that you need the camera installed to enable the lights following movement and security, because the radar by itself can achieve those features. Now let's move on to the fun part, because it also has an AI light show that you can choose over 120 presets for every occasion, from Christmas sparkles to party vibes, and even a music sync mode to where the lights are going to dance perfectly to the beat. So you can transform the entire house exterior with just a tap and no complicated setup required. Now let's talk about quality and durability, because these aren't just flimsy seasonal lights. With protective casing and reinforced connections, the S4 strips are built to last. They look premium, they feel solid, and maintain the performance year after year. It's professional grade lighting without the professional installation headache. So it's not just lighting, it's lighting with purpose. So if you're ready to upgrade your home to a smarter, safer, and undeniably stylish, this is the time to check out the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights S4. Celebrate life, secure nights, and upgrade today, because you'll never go back to ordinary lights. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.